It's overwhelming, too much information.
Yes.
Gusto ko yung tayo na tas tumahimik na sila. Okay. So we will be the last presenter tonight. I know it's overwhelming kasi ang dami na namin present.
You know what, my guests are very confused now as to what project are they going to pick because how beautiful RLC Projects is.
That is true, Carla. And actually, please listen guys because the next project, it's the closest to the airport.
Yes. Actually,
so,
sige.
So it's the closest to the airport. So in my experience here in Canada for the last 2 years, like most of my clients are looking for a property that's close to the airport. So it's this property is just 10 to 15 minutes away, going to Naiya Terminal 3. So we're going to present to you Woodsville Crest.
Legit na po talaga na mas malapit na to sa
Yes,
airport.
kahit madaling araw or during late evening, malapit siya sa airport guys. So medyo mas ilaw. So alright, so we're gonna start with the location. But before that, since yung iba busy, I just would like to comment yung nasa table number 2. Ino-observe ko sila because from the start hanggang ngayon, they are really listening. Hello ma'am, because they were asking questions, so I appreciate that. So if you have any questions, you can ask your property specialist later, okay? Para mas marami kayong makuha details about this property. So let's start first with the location. Woodsville Crest is located or situated along Edison Avenue and right across Bigutan and Nichols Road. So this will give you like direct access going to the South Luzon Expressway and going directly to the nearby key destinations or yung mga central business district natin sa Pilipinas. Next please. Oh, speaking about the central business district. So you know this place guys? Sinong like familiarize pictures na to? So this is what Philippines looks like now. So we have 4 business districts close to Woodsville Crest. So namely, we have Makati, we have BGC, and we have Alabang. So that's what I like about Woodsville Crest because it's, you know, it's giving that blending suburban living that doesn't compromise yung proximity niya going to these cities. So, na-notice ko lang kasi like majority of you guys, not all no, majority parang yung iba sa inyo nagugulat na this is what Philippines now. So every year like more and more infrastructures are being built. Yung industry po ng real estate sa Pilipinas ay parang 10 times faster compared to all Asian countries. Next slide please.
Yes, and also as we mentioned, this is a project na closest sa airport. So we do understand that going back to Philippines will take you like 14 hours flight. So it's a very long flight. So we do recommend, especially sa mga clients namin living in the northern part or southern part of Luzon. So you don't have to travel again from airport. So if you have a property that's near the airport, you'll get home by 15 minutes after you land in the Philippines.
That is true. Ako kasi I was born in Negros Oriental. Sino, kinsa mga Bisaya din karong gabi. Mga from Visayas, mga Bisaya. So I was born in Dumaguete, Negros Oriental, but I was raised in Zamboanga. So imagine after traveling abroad, I need to like travel again for another 2 hours going to my destination. Same with the tourist spots in the Philippines, di ba?
Yes.
So for you like to be conveniently located, this project is for you.
Yes.
Next
Of course, siyempre yung mga umuwi natin na mga kababayan, they wanted to go to the beaches and sa Boracay, Palawan. So it's very convenient that they are close to the airport na.
That's correct. Now, let's proceed with the location. So, as you can see, you have the bird's eye view of this location. Right now, we just launched 3 towers. Woodsville Crest was named to sa mga trees. So we have Oak Building, Pine Building, and the Olive Building. So again Oak Building, Pine Building, and the Olive Building. Kasi mamaya dyan magagaling ang exam natin. So this is the facade of the building, Carla.
Ayan. Sa nakikita niyo naman sa facade, as you can see, it's very relaxing, very cozy, very demure, and very cutesy ang vibes ng ating facade. Next, please. Yan. So you'll see here the drop-off area. Meron po kayong, you have your own private drop-off area for these buildings in every towers of this project. Next please.
Alright, so I think earlier, excuse me, earlier parang it's too much information already about the amenities. But what makes Woodsville Crest amenities different, it's more an open-air clubhouse. If you notice, the projects earlier, medyo close yung mga clubhouse niya. But this one, it's more on like a resort living, open-air yung clubhouse. So each tower has its own direct access going to the outdoor pool. Next, please. Okay, so for the outdoor amenities, we have the lab and kiddie pool. And you know what's better to relax and recharge than to have your barbecue grill right next to your outdoor pool deck. I just noticed dito sa Canada, I've been to so many gatherings dito sa Canada, like birthdays every weekend actually. And laging may nagbo-barbecue. So dito sa Woodsville Crest, you have a barbecue grill right next to the outdoor pool deck. Alright, next.
Yes, and of course we have the reception where you can entertain your guests or your visitors. You have your hotel vibe feeling when you enter your tower. And also we have the clubhouse lounge area here. We also have the lounge area, the clubhouse. Especially we Filipinos love to gossip, right? So in this open areas, hindi po kayo magkakarinigan ng mga chismis. So it's very good to have a good time with your friends and family here at the open spaces.
Yeah, that's correct. So more on the amenities. So on our clubhouse on the second floor level, we have the co-working space. So guys, co-working space, I don't know if this was discussed on the projects earlier. So we have co-working space in Sierra Valley, in Sing, and also in Woodsville Crest. So if you notice, this was adjusted when it was launched. Post-pandemic kasi, the buyers' interest in investing changes. So nagbabago yung mga needs natin. So one of those is the co-working space. If you don't want to work like inside your unit, you can just go ahead and work in the co-working space. All the common areas has its Wi-Fi access. So next, Carlo. Sir, can you go back, sir? Sorry. So
and also, for the kids, we have the kids indoor play area. And also for the active lifestyle enthusiasts, we have the fitness gym for you. And also for the Filipinos who love to party, we have the function rooms at the ground floor.
Yes, that's correct. Alright, next slide, sir. Okay, let me discuss this. So, just like Woodsville Crest, we have the atrium and typical hallway. So, ano yung na-notice niyo guys? What did you notice? Usually, the condominiums in the Philippines, the rooms are facing each other, right? But here at Woodsville Crest, it has an open air space. May atrium. So, hindi siya kulob. I don't know what, sir. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's kulob in English. So, you're gonna get like more natural light and more airspace here at Woodsville Crest. Alright, next slide please. So this is what our atrium looks like. There are more lounges in this area. We have 4 elevators per building. And speaking of a low density, hear me out guys. For Woodsville Crest, we only have 9 floors for Oak Tower and Pine Building. And for the Olive Building, we have 8 floors. So low density lang siya. And then per floor, it's only 23 units per floor, up to 30 units per floor, depending on the building.
So you don't have a lot of neighbors.
Yes.
So you feel more secure, more peaceful with Woodsville Crest.
Alright, Carla will be discussing about the unit types of Woodsville Crest. Guys, Woodsville Crest units are selling like hotcakes kasi it's underrated, but once you learn more about this project, parang ito pa yung kukunin nyo.
Yes. So for this project, we have 4 unit types. We have a studio, we have 1 bedroom with balcony, 2 bedroom, and the 2 bedroom with balcony. So next please. So for the first time property investors, we do recommend the studio in 1 bedroom with balcony because it's more easier for you to manage, less fees, less price for definitely, and it's much more easier to rent out in the future if you wanted to have a rental property. So we have a studio, 26.50 square meters, and also one bedroom with balcony, which is 41 square meters. So for the deliverables of this unit, this includes smart home devices, fiber optic technology, work from home provision, which is very important nowadays, a balcony for this type of unit, range hood in the kitchen area, granite and countertop with splashboard, sink with drain board and fixtures, cabinets with glass doors, pantry drawer at base cabinets, dual flush water faucet, lavatory, rain shower fixture, and of course the clothesline located at the balcony. So another unit type, if you wanted a bigger space, especially if you intend to have this for your personal use or end use for your family, we have the 2-bedroom unit, which is 52.50 square meters.
That's correct. Let me just, sorry, can we go back to that slide, please?
Yes.
Can we go back? So, for this side, most of my clients who get this type of unit, 2-bedroom without the balcony, if you notice, the bedroom number 2, not the master bedroom, the bedroom number 2, you can actually convert this one into your own office. The partition is just a tempered glass with laminated wood.
As you
So
can
you can actually extend your living room and dining room if you're going to remove the partitions. It's going to be bigger than the usual 1-bedroom. Alright, next slide.
And of course, the biggest unit for this project, it's only one per floor. This is the 2-bedroom with balcony, which is 82.50 square meters. So it almost has the same deliverables, it's just that it's much more bigger.
Correct.
And some other upgrades.
So all 2-bedroom with balcony units are all facing the pool deck.
Yes.
And it's only 1 unit per floor. So, you know what I'm saying?
Unahan na lang po sa
Paunahan na
2-bedroom
lang.
with balcony.
Next, sir. Alright, so just like the rest of the properties that we discussed earlier, Woods Buildcrest also delivers with smart home features. So, you know, you can connect all your electronic gadgets through, like your furnitures, appliances to your tablet or through your phone. So whenever you forget to turn off your air condition, you can turn it off using your cell phone. Alright, next, sir. Next. Okay, so I don't know if the other team was able to discuss the awards that we're getting every year. So here are the awards for Woods Buildcrest.
Yes. So syempre hindi nagpapahuli ang Woods Buildcrest in terms of awards. We have the Best Smart Development by the Moody Philippines. We also have the Best Smart Home Development by the
Property Guru
Asia. And of course, the Best Development Low-Rise Condominium by DOT Property Philippine Awards last 2022.
Alright, so just like the rest of the properties discussed earlier, we have building and facilities and services for this condominium. But I just would like to highlight yung mga the facilities and services that you can only find here at Woods Buildcrest. Next slide. Alright, so we have a bicycle parking area. We have a UB charging station. For the UB charging station, it's selected parking. UB electronic vehicle are just starting in the Philippines, so not all parking slot has the charging station. So now, if you have like too much stops in your home, here at Woods Buildcrest, you can rent out a storage area.
Yes.
So the storage area, I think it's as big as the studio unit that we have. So if may hindi kayo mag-hoard ng mga gamit, if you want to hide dead bodies, you can rent it out. Just kidding, guys. Alright, next, sustainable living.
Yes. So we have solar-powered e-charging parking station and also solar-powered street and garden lands around the complex.
Alright, next. Alright, so that's the end of our presentation. But before that, I would like to call someone who